This Itel A06 is one of the stubborn phones around. If you've been struggling on how to bypass FRP, this is the right video for you. So I want you to stick on, watch until the end. Don't skip any step because every step here is very important. So if you have tried this method of opening settings, it's not working. Editing apps is not active. All the apps are not active. So follow me carefully because none of these methods are working. Settings, you cannot open settings. Even if you try to edit the apps are not active. So please, this is the right video for you. Okay, let's go together. I'm trying to demonstrate on how I had gone through trying to check on settings when the settings are not active, and trying to these editing apps when the apps are not active. So this is all a demo, but we are heading to the real thing. So I want you to stay with me, watch carefully, don't skip. Meanwhile, go and subscribe, hit the thumbnail so that you will not miss whenever I post a video like this one. So subscribe to my channel, please. So let's come back here. As you can see, you cannot edit any app. You can't edit any app around. So everything is just dormant. So we are going back and we are going to start afresh. So from here, I want you to go to your browser. So I'm just going to use that to open Google Chrome. I can say open Google Chrome. It can open. For your case, you can go back and open any website, Google Chrome. Then search FRP bypass.cc from your Chrome. Scroll down. Look for dial pad. Open. I want you to dial this to activate the bank. *#*49 ***, then yes. The banging is activated, as you can see here. So this time we are going to use a computer. We need a computer to help us. So if you don't have a PC, look for a PC, install driver as well, then we continue. So from here, I want you to go to your computer and download some FW tool, the latest version right now. I'm going to put the link in the comment section so you can go there and download your tool from the comment section. The version is 5.4. Some FW tool 5.4. That is the latest version. It is for free and totally free. Open the first link. You can open the first one, you can open this one. It is all the same. Scroll down. Scroll down, down, up to where you can find these links here. There are many links, you can choose the one you can use. Me, I'm using this one. As you can see, it has started to download. Be patient while it is downloading. Be patient while it is downloading. So please like, subscribe and share this video. So we are done downloading. Let's extract and install. Next. Finish and launch. Make sure the phone is remained plugged in from the time you activated the bang. The phone should remain connected to your computer. So here select Android, then FRP. Remove FRP in a new method. The process is working. The phone has restarted. The system is removing the FRP. The phone has restarted and FRP has been removed successfully. So wait the phone to restart, then you unplug from your computer. Everything is now okay and perfect. So if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section below. I'll be able to guide and help you through any process you want. So please like, subscribe, and comment. Share to your loved ones. So I'm wishing you a peaceful night or day from wherever you are. Bye.